wanted to talk about the repairs and maintenance issue. Again, we're getting loads of questions about the repairs and maintenance and what happens there. Again, go back to your public health orders. It's the first place you start when you're looking at what we can and what we can't do. It's a matter of, what can you do? So in terms of your repairs and maintenance, if it's an emergency, yes, you can send in a tradesperson to have a property fixed. So you're managing property, there's an emergency, and the public health order is really clear about it. Repairs and maintenance, if it's urgent to ensure the health, safety or security of the premises or the household. If it's an emergency, for the installation, maintenance and repairs of essential utilities, including water, gas, electricity, internet, television, telecommunications services. So they're all regarded clearly as emergency points. For fire protection and safety. So, in strata buildings, you can still have fire services checked and repaired. So, and the last one, which is the one that I've had most calls about, is necessary to prepare an unoccupied place of residence for sale or lease. Absolute no-brainer. The property's empty. Yes, you can send in people to get it ready for sale or lease. But again, pull your common sense notion out of your pocket and start talking about, don't send 3 trades in together. One at a time, coordinate it properly, limit the number of people that are seeing each other at any point in time, and look at your hygiene issues around that. So, again, be sensible about how you're doing it. Yes, you can do it. Yes, you can get a property prepared to go to market. Of course you can. And that's clearly stated in the public health orders, as is the one-on-one inspections, as are the auctions within the Greater Sydney area need to be no people actually physically attending those auctions as bidders or onlookers or anything. So that's we've had some really clear instructions, but in terms of getting properties fixed, then that's great. Look, we should have some more information tomorrow about maintenance and cleaning and some of those areas around trades, with some of what was talked about in this morning's 11 a.m. daily conference from the Premier and all of her team that are managing this process. Let's read it in the public health orders first, and then I'll come back and chat to you, in the next couple of days to see if we've got something that changes what's happening with the current health orders. But at the moment, get on with your jobs. We've all got to, make this work within this period of time. And no one's saying you can't work, you can't do this. You've just got to be sensible about it, and you've got to be creative about looking at how you can do things in a different way. And obviously that's looking at it from the online versions. So let's see how many new and innovative ways of getting listings you guys can come up with. You're the salespeople out there, and I'm referring to property managers when I say this. You guys should be able to come up with some, the amazing approaches to how things are done. So looking forward to hearing about some of those in the weeks and months to come.